Hello friends, in this video we are going to practice more than 100 daily use sentences. Please watch the video till the end and like this video and subscribe to the Tel Talk channel. And let's start now. मैं आपसे कुछ पूछ रहा हूँ. I am asking you something. I am asking you something. उसका कल एक्सीडेंट हो गया. He met with an accident yesterday. He met with an accident yesterday. विनीता ने मधुर गीत गाया. विनीता sang a sweet song. विनीता sang a sweet song. उसकी नाक बह रही है. His nose is running. His nose is running. खेलते हुए टांग पर चोट लग गई. I hurt my leg while playing. I hurt my leg while playing. कितने दिन लगेंगे? How long will it take? How long will it take? ये शर्ट कितने की है? What is the cost of this shirt? What is the cost of this shirt? तुमने हमेशा मुझे डांटा. You always scold me. You always scold me. मैं रात में देर से सोया था. I sleep late last night. I sleep late last night. मेरे पास 20 रुपये कम हैं. I am short by 20 rupees. I am short by 20 rupees. तुमने मुझे जगाया क्यों नहीं? Why didn't you wake me up? Why didn't you wake me up? सबसे अच्छी शर्ट कौन सी है? Which shirt is the best? Which shirt is the best? अब आपके पिताजी कैसे हैं? How is your father now? How is your father now? वह अपनी अरमान पूरी कर चुका है. He has fulfilled his desire. He has fulfilled his desires. हम क्रिकेट खेल चुके हैं. We have played cricket. We have played cricket. किसी से कुछ मत मांगना. Don't ask anything from anybody. या फिर इसको इस तरीके से बोल सकते हैं. Don't ask anybody for anything. वह तुम्हारे जैसी दिखती है. She looks like you. She looks like you. तुम कब मिलोगे? When will you meet? When will you meet? यह किसका मोबाइल नंबर है? Whose mobile number is this? Whose mobile number is this? उसने तुम्हें एक गिफ्ट भेजा है. He has sent you a gift. He has sent you a gift. बॉबी अभी आया है. Bobby has just arrived. Bobby has just arrived. यह कमीज फटी हुई है. This shirt is torn. This shirt is torn. यह कमीज मैली है. This shirt is dirty. This shirt is dirty. बताइए मैं आपकी क्या सेवा कर सकता हूँ? Tell me how can I help you? Tell me how can I help you? आप मुझसे नाराज हैं क्या? Are you annoyed with me? Are you annoyed with me? वह नहा रहा है. He is taking a bath. He is taking a bath. हम नाश्ता कर रहे हैं. We are taking breakfast. We are taking breakfast. अब वो काम से भाग नहीं सकता. He can't shirk the work now. He can't shirk the work now. तुम कायर हो. You are coward. You are coward. क्या तुम्हें पता है? Do you know? Do you know? आखिर चल क्या रहा है? What exactly is going on? What exactly is going on? मैंने तुम्हारे साथ बहुत बुरा किया. I really did wrong to you. I really did wrong to you. मेरा एक काम करोगे? Would you do me a favor please? Would you do me a favor please? आप कब आए? When did you come? When did you come? वे बाजार जा रहे हैं। They are going to market. They are going to market. मेरा भाई पढ़ रहा है। My brother is studying. My brother is studying. उसे माफ़ी मांगनी पड़ेगी। He will have to say sorry. He will have to say sorry. उसे मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी। He will have to work hard. He will have to work hard. कुछ चीज़ें हमारे बस में नहीं होती। Few things are not in our control. Few things are not in our control. क्या राम अंदर है? Is Ram in? Is Ram in? समझ गए? Understood या फिर हम got it बोल सकते हैं। आपको तुरंत यहाँ आना पड़ा था। You had to come here immediately. You had to come here immediately. हमें स्कूटर ठीक करना पड़ा था। We had to repair the scooter. We had to repair the scooter. इससे बेहतर कुछ हो नहीं सकता। Nothing could be better than this. Nothing could be better than this. हालांकि मैं सोच रहा था। Though I was thinking. Though I was thinking. क्या श्याम आ रहा है? Is श्याम coming? Is श्याम coming? मैं अभी साथ चलूं? मैं I accompany you या फिर इसको इस तरीके से बोल सकते हैं। Shall I accompany you? पिताजी को दिल्ली जाना पड़ा था। Father had to go to Delhi. Father had to go to Delhi. रोशनी को गीत गाना पड़ा था। रोशनी had to sing a song. रोशनी had to sing a song. हमें खाना बनाना पड़ा था। We had to cook the food. We had to cook the food. आप कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? घबराने की बात नहीं है। Not to worry या फिर इसको इस तरीके से बोल सकते हैं। Nothing to worry about. ज़रा मैं तैयार हो लूँ। Let me get ready. Let me get ready. क्या हुआ? What happened? या फिर What's the matter बोल सकते हैं। आज तुम स्कूल क्यों नहीं गए? Why did you not go to school today? Why did you not go to school today? मेरे पास कोई कलम नहीं है। I have no pen. I have no pen. उसे बुखार है। He has fever. या फिर हम इसको इस तरीके से बोल सकते हैं। He is suffering from fever. मैं नहीं मानता। I don't agree. या फिर हम इसको इस तरीके से बोल सकते हैं। I don't believe. I don't believe. ऐसी बात नहीं है। It is nothing like that. या फिर हम इसको इस तरीके से बोल सकते हैं। Nothing as such. तुम ऐसी बकवास क्यों करते हो? Why do you talk such nonsense? Why do you talk such nonsense? तुम कल कहाँ जाओगी? Where will you go tomorrow? Where will you go tomorrow? श्याम के दो भाई हैं। श्याम has two brothers. श्याम has two brothers. रवि के पास 10 पेन हैं। रवि has 10 pens. रवि has 10 pens. वो अभी अभी गया है। He has just gone. या फिर इसको इस तरीके से बोल सकते हैं। He has just left. क्या झगड़ा है? What's the conflict? या फिर हम इसको इस तरीके से बोल सकते हैं। What's the dispute? आपने ये पुस्तक कहाँ से ली? Where did you take this book from? Where did you take this book from? आपका भाई कहाँ काम करता है? Where does your brother work? Where does your brother work? मुझे कपड़े धोने हैं। I have to wash the clothes. I have to wash the clothes. सोनाली को यहाँ आना है। सोनाली has to come here. सोनाली has to come here. इस बात को अपने तक ही रखना। Keep it up to yourself. Keep it up to yourself. मैं कल आपको फ़ोन करूँगा। आई विल कॉल यू टुमारो। आई विल कॉल यू टुमारो। तुमने सीता को कब देखा? When did you see सीता? When did you see सीता? राम कब पढ़ता है? When does राम study? When does राम study? मेरी माता जी को खाना बनाना है। My mother has to cook the food. My mother has to cook the food. मेरे भाई को अपना काम पूरा करना है। My brother has to complete his work. My brother has to complete his work. तुम्हें कौन सा गाना सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद है? Which song do you like the most? Which song do you like the most? तुम कौन सी फिल्म देखना पसंद करोगी? Which movie would you like to watch? Which movie would you like to watch? मुझे नींद आ रही है। I am feeling sleepy. I am feeling sleepy. वह मेरा दूर का रिश्तेदार है। He is my distant relative. He is my distant relative. मुझे दिल्ली जाना है। I have to go to Delhi. I have to go to Delhi. ममता एक अच्छी लड़की थी। ममता was a good girl. ममता was a good girl. मुझे तुम पर गर्व है। I am proud of you. I am proud of you. मैं आपसे बहुत खुश हूँ। I am very happy with you. I am very happy with you. तुम्हें वहाँ पहुँचने में कितना वक्त लगेगा? How long will you take to reach there? How long will you take to reach there? करीब 100 किलोमीटर। About 100 kilometers. About 100 kilometers. वह सोया हुआ था। He was asleep. He was asleep. वह सुंदर लड़की थी। She was a beautiful girl. She was a beautiful girl. कोई भी ऐसा अपमान सहन नहीं कर सकता। Nobody can bear such an insult. Nobody can bear such an insult. मैंने ये बात नहीं कही। I didn't say that. I didn't say that. तुम्हारे पिताजी की आयु कितनी है? How old is your father? How old is your father? दिल्ली में मौसम कैसा है? How is the weather in Delhi? How is the weather in Delhi? तुम एक लड़की हो। You are a girl. You are a girl. ये मेरी घड़ी है। This is my watch. This is my watch. क्या ये है तुम्हारे बात करने का तरीका? Is this the way you talk? Is this the way you talk? यह काम करना कोई बच्चों का खेल नहीं है। Doing this work is not a child's play. Doing this work is not a child's play. अब आपकी तबीयत कैसी है? How are you now? How are you now? तुम दफ्तर कैसे जाते हो? How do you go to office? How do you go to office? ये मेरी किताबें हैं। These are my books. These are my books. वह मेरा भाई है। He is my brother. He is my brother.